Okay, folks, it's December 6th, 2025. I'm doing this boiler maintenance here. So I took the heat, I vacuumed out the heat exchanger here, removed the condensate trap. It's in the sink. I'm washing out this thing here. So one of these things here. The burner assembly here is the gas valve. So I cleaned the igniter flame sensor here. Looks good. The gas valve here. That's it. Like, let's put this back. Vacuumed all this stuff so I can put this back in. So I have to connect back this thing. Where does this go here? So this is going here. This harness, and then this one. That's for the gas valve, yeah? Or no? Hold on. I think this goes here. Is it? No. Where is this going? Holy fucks, like, where did I? Okay, so this go. Okay, I see. Yeah, this goes here. Easy peasy, right there. Okay, so then this for the gas valve connection harness is here. So you got the igniter, and you got the flame sensor. This one, is that right? Or am I mistaken something? We'll see. Let's put this back together. We're gonna fire up and see what happens here. I'm not sure if this is gonna, if it's gonna work. It's happy days. If it's not, then I have to troubleshoot and see what's going on with this thing. It's very simple. Three boilers and furnaces for 20 years. I installed this about 10 years ago, all this system here. 10 years ago. Was that 2014, 2015? Could be 2016. So once I will get all this back, then I need to connect. I'm gonna connect up the gas line, the inducer here. I'm gonna amp the pump. I'm gonna put back together this, what do you call it? Condensate trap. So this is what I do, guys. Like, this is what I do. So condensate trap is nice and clean. I washed it out. So I need to put this gasket. Where's this gasket going? There must be another gasket here. Is this really going here? No. Am I missing one gasket here? Guys, like, what happened here? Where's that gasket? Oh, here. Okay. So this goes like that. This goes here. Yeah. Okay, it goes like this. Sorry, something's not right. What is this for? So I got gasket over there. I got gasket here. Interesting. Where does this come from? It doesn't fit there. Oh, this is from. Okay, I see. I see. This is for this. For here. Yeah. Okay, cool. So okay, I'm gonna do this. And before you put the condensate trap, always fill with water, because you don't want that CO coming back to your house. So fill this with water. Doesn't matter, hot or cold. Okay, so you do this. So you connect the pressure switch here. Okay. Then this goes. This goes back here like this. Yeah. Easy peasy. Then you do this one. This goes back here like that. Okay. And yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. Then we're gonna fire up this. Still need to connect the gas line there. Igniter flame sensor here. Need to have the pump. I need to exercise all the valves for the maintenance, all that stuff. Why this is open? Why was this open? Jesus, guys, not supposed to. This not supposed to be open. Who did open this? And then we're gonna fire up this bad boy. Basically, this unit is heats the in-floor heating for the garage. There's a fan coil built in. It's like a furnace. Forced air for the main floor and the basement. In-floor for the garage, and indirect hot water tank. So I'm doing these units for last like probably 10-15 years. So got axiom tank, the boiler feed, expansion tank, indirect hot water tank, fan coil inside, the forced air. It's like a furnace. You got air conditioning hooked up as well for summertime. Forced air, condensate. I think that's it. And yeah, this goes indirect tank, this boiler. It's boiler and furnace. It's called sink furnace. And these lines here. See these lines here? There's a pump. So these are feeding the in-floor heating for the garage. And I got humidifier here as well. The one I installed like, oh, I don't know how many years ago. But 5 years. I need to look at this thing as well. So that's basically what I do. And if you like my video, please click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe and tell your friends about the video so they can watch it too. I'll leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. God bless you, Jesus loves you, and guess what? I love you too.